subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor has finally launched its new gaming-centric phone under GT lineup in China called Honor X40 GT with quite interesting design. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Honor X40 GT features a tall 6.81-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 144Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with Adreno 660 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM that can be extended up to 7GB by using internal storage, and it has 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of optics, the Honor X40 GT supports a triple camera setup in a circular module at the top center that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture alongside the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch cutout in the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 4800 mAh battery that supports 66W super fast charging, and it runs on latest Android 12 out of the box with Magic UI 6.1 skin on top. For gaming, the company has added GPU Turbo X feature for better performance, and it also comes with a large 8-layer graphite heat dissipation system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.1 by 75.8 by 8.45mm, and it weighs around 199.5 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor X40 GT has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 2099 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2399 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Racing Black, Titanium Silver, and Magic Night Black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from October 18th. So what do you guys think of this Honor X40 GT smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.